Guys, if you're in your college, then these are the five things that will make your college life genuinely easy. So, the first and the foremost is making friends with seniors. Like, they are walking Google for you. If you need notes, you need some help in internships, you need help regarding any competition, like they know all the college hacks because they have been through all of the things that you're going right now, and they're the best person to approach because they know what are the loopholes and what are the challenges you are facing right now. Second one is keep one folder for everything. What I mean from this is like keeping a folder where you can collect all your important competition certificates, all your relevant ID proofs, all the PDFs, all like everything in one folder. Because at times of registering for any competition, for any course, or like anywhere, you may need them, and you should not be a person who is just scrolling on phone and just for finding one important and one relevant mark sheet of yours or anything, like one important document. So don't be that person. Third, say yes to events. So I was a totally dumbo in this area because in my first year I believed that going to events is such a waste of time. Like, who goes to an event and like you have to stand for such long time in the queues and then you get the entry, and then there is lot of like so much people around you, so much exhaustiveness after coming from the event. Like, I'm not going, I will just focus on my assignments and my work. But now I've realized that they play a very important role. Like, you cannot miss the memories which you can make with your friends, and the amount of connection you can make while going to an event is immense. So please guys, it's a request, being the first years, do not neglect the events that your college is hosting if it hosts. And the fourth one is building a skill besides your degree. Like, holding a degree is a very good thing, but building a skill in this world is really important, and especially in these days because degree is going to get you opportunities, like undoubtedly, but having a skill in which you can excel better than others is really, really important because there's a lot of competition. Fifth, and the most important, I think, that is start building your resume from the first day of the college itself. Most of the students make mistakes while understanding how does resume work. So from the first year onwards, you should be active, or I would say proactive enough to focus on volunteering work, on internships, on attending any workshops, or any sort of thing that will help you build your CV. Be proactive, asking your seniors, your faculties about it because it's really important. And if you get really late to understand about your CV or resume particulars and the amount of efforts that is needed, that is really, really huge. So start working on your CV from the first year itself. Don't be late on it.